Everyone, today we're going to change the battery on the Honda Odyssey. This is a 2018 one. First thing we need to do is remove the front panel. This one. Right, to remove the front panel, just pull out slightly. This one. Snap it. There we go. Alright, now we're gonna remove the intake, this one, and there's two screws here you have to remove. Hopefully the camera can see it. There's one and two screws, so let me get a screwdriver. Good morning. Just slide up. There we go. So it just slides out from here. Now you have access to the battery. Now for the battery, you need a 10mm wrench over here to take those out. Right, so let me get a 10mm wrench. All right, the next step is to remove one screw, just this one, not that one, just this one, with a 10mm wrench. I couldn't find my socket, so I'm just gonna use a wrench. By the way, you don't have to take this all the way out. You don't have to. Just loosen it enough. Just like that. You don't have to take it all the way out. And there's a hook over there. This one. Just unhook that. And that's it. And you pull this to the side. Now you have access to the battery. See? Now, take this screw out. Right here. Another 10mm. Negative first, then positive. By the way, the battery size of this one is group size 48. This one is 70 amp hour. Alright, so let me remove the negative first, then positive. Wrong side. Somewhere. Clean that up. Don't take the screw all the way out, that way you don't lose it. Ay, giving me a hard time. There you go. Take the battery cover off. Take this battery cover. So 12 millimeter to remove this one. Now I'm going to remove the battery cover. Just tilt this to the side. There we go. I broke the red thing over here, the thermal cover, by the way. There you go. Now, to remove the battery, lift up, lift up. There you go. That's it. Now we're gonna go bring the battery to your auto place that you want to go use, and get then have it, because they're gonna charge you a core charge. So if you bring the old battery, you don't have to. You don't get charged for it. So you don't get charged for the core charge, though. Save you some money. All right, let's go and we'll install it back. So here's the battery. It's a AGM one. I'll put a picture on the video here. It matches perfectly with the old one. I don't know if the original was AGM, but this is the AGM one, 48. There's a standard one which is $45 cheaper, but I'll go with the same kind of design. So I'm gonna install it now, and right, compartment's clean. Heavy. Alright, so pick this up. This one here, there's a tab here, you have to put it out. There. Now we put the cover. Let me clean the cover first. Alright, I cleaned the cover. Much cleaner than before. So, let's put this. We tilt the battery again. Tilt this battery. Why are you giving me a hard time, cover? Alright, that's good. It's in there. Now we're gonna, this thing, if you did it, it's up to you if you want to remove the connector there. I removed mine, but I'm gonna put it back now. Might be easier to put this first. 10 millimeter. Really positive first. When you're taking it out, negative first, and for installing it, negative last. You already sand this down, so I don't need to do it. It's up to you. Good. It's tight. Well, not going anywhere. Where I put the negative, I'm gonna clamp this now. So see this hook here? Just hook it to the hole and make sure this side is hooked up too. Just hook up. Looks like the battery that I got is a little bit taller, so I'm gonna loosen this up a little bit. Loosen it somewhere. I'm just loosening up the nut to be. There you go. On this side. And tighten it. Yeah, this battery looks just a little bit taller. Now 10 millimeter. Now we put the negative. Come on, man. I can't push it anymore because the plastic here, it's on the battery already, so I can't push it anymore. I wish I could. Just gonna put a tape in there. And you clean that out and put a tape. Alright, just put a couple of electrical tape there. That way it doesn't fly out. Hopefully it won't fly out. And next, I'll put this back. And I put this back. Push that in the hole. So the pin goes in there. Pin, push that in, so it's secure, looks good. Put the screws. You can just push it in too. Yeah. I'll put this back. I should have cleaned it. I don't feel like it now. So just line up the where this can go. There's holes in there. Just keep eye on it. Put this in here first. Here's the one. This thing will go here, here, wherever those tabs go. Just line them up here. See. Alright, I got everything back where it's supposed to be. Missing the two clips there. That's why it's kind of loose. It's not gonna fly away. Hope not. So I'm gonna start the car and hopefully it starts. And hopefully I'll find those two tabs. Starting. No fire. Just gonna let it run for a while. Alright, my battery's dying. That's it. That's how you change the battery on a 2018 Honda Odyssey. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye. The battery on this camera is already blinking red. Hopefully I'll find it. See you next time. Bye bye.